Start by searching for CalculateWellHub on Google. Just type CalculateWellHub.in and hit enter. Welcome to CalculateWellHub. First, select your country. We'll choose USA, Canada for this demo. Scroll down to our Financial Tools section and select the Advanced Credit Card Tracker, your ultimate solution for managing multiple credit cards. Here's how to get the most from this powerful tool. First, add all your credit cards using this button. You can track unlimited cards. For each card, enter the card name, your total credit limit, optional statement date. Now add your transactions, date of purchase, amount spent, merchant details, spending category. When ready, click Calculate Summary to see your complete financial picture. Instantly view your remaining available credit, spending by category, utilization percentages, complete transaction history. Need a report? Click Download Excel report and get a 20-second countdown timer, professionally formatted spreadsheet. All your data ready for analysis. As a bonus, we'll show you our premium tracker with advanced features like automatic payment reminders, rewards point optimization, annual fee tracking, and much more. Ready to take control of your credit cards? Visit CalculateWellHub.in today and try our advanced credit card tracker for free.